What's up, everybody? Update on the birds. They've hatched and they could fly. Let me see if I get a sneak peek of them.
Little chipping sparrows. Look, babies. Oh.
Was there any in there? I don't know. I'll have to watch the video just like you guys. So, we got a range set up. I'm gonna check it out. Haven't even fired the pistol at it. But let's give it a shot. I gotta measure out 25 yards. From this is gonna be the shooting bench right here. Got an umbrella holder right there on the side. Got some AR-500 steel down there. Let's see what we could do. What you think? Not bad at all, huh? It's good times having a little range in the background, or in your background, in the backyard. Thanks for watching Buck's Blog Shorts.